Hi, I am Vijay Parmar and I am really happy to share my journey with Code and Game Academy. Before joining the academy, I was curious about game development, but didn't know where to begin. Everything was changed when I started learning under the guidance of Mahesh Gurjar sir. The learning experience was very amazing. Mahesh sir teaches in very simple and clear way, which helped me to understand even tough topics easily. I learned C Sharp, Unity, and also got to build actual games, which was super fun and helpful to build my career in game development. Right now, I am working as a game developer at Astro Infotech, and it's all because of the strong foundation I got built here. What makes Code and Game Academy special? It is the personal attention, practical learning, and real world projects. It's just not about theory, but it's about create and build things. I'm very thankful to Mahesh sir and the whole academy. If you want to learn about game development and further IT courses, I really recommend it to join this academy. It helps me and also to you. Go for it and it's totally worth it.